So here we're on top of the roof. This is a brand new roof, just installed. The roofers took the old cable off and put it back on. It is currently not working. That's a common problem we see when people replace the roof and put the old cable back on. Handling the cable in that process often compromises the integrity and makes it so it won't work. Now another thing to keep in mind when installing the cable on this, being a brand new roof, don't penetrate the roof with staples, screws, nails of any kind. If you put a nail in this spot of the roof, it'll void the warranty of the roof in this area. So avoid that at all costs. In the process of installing the cable, you're going to want to avoid a lot of little details. This is a good example of what you want to avoid. They've lifted the old cable out of the gutter, bringing it up. This is creating a pocket in the gutter that ice will build up, not allowing water to pass through. There are a lot of little things like this we find on projects that often defeats the whole purpose of the system and puts you back to square one. In the process of removing the cable, you want to make sure you do it without damaging the shingles. So these clips are attached in here. These clips are attached under the shingle. You want to make sure you lift these and allow the clip to come out smooth. A bad example is if you take that clip and lift it up and force the shingle upward. That will break the shingle or tear it. So you want to make sure you remove these things with ease without compromising the shingle. Okay, that's the uninstallation part. Taking the old stuff off, let's get rid of it. That goes in the garbage.